Hello everybody, it's an exciting day today. It was even more exciting yesterday. Today I have the Scheepjes, new Scheepjes cowls in front of me. Scheepjes are very well known for their crochet alongs and they are eagerly anticipated by so many of you, I know. They launched yesterday their latest crochet along. It has been a while, we seem to have been waiting for this one for a while and it's superb. So I'm so lucky that we've got two of the blankets here. And I've also got the boxes. Now I haven't looked at what's inside these boxes yet, so I thought we'd do a little bit of a live unboxing for you. So this is the first blanket. It's called the Colour Lab Cow, and it's designed by Rachele, who is, you will know under the name of Cypress Textiles. She's a really established crochet designer, and look at this. It is just incredible. They are huge as well. They really are a real monster. The cowl runs for 13 weeks. The hints and tips is out on the 4th of January. The first pattern is released on the 11th of January. And from reading about this cowl overnight, there are lots of opportunities for you to really, really make it your own as well. There are two cowl packs available. This one is in Scrumptious, which is Scheepjes' newest acrylic yarn. It is 50% recycled plastic bottles, 50% acrylic. And like I said, it's a huge box. The box is here. It's going to be quite exciting going into this box. And there are opportunities throughout the way, taking advice from Rachele for you to create your own blanket, hence why it's called the Colour Lab. It's got a very scientific-y feel to this, which is really, really, really lovely. And it feels nice as well, it really does. So let's see what's in this box. This is, as I say, this is the Scrumptious kit. This is £93.50 for the kit. We are only shipping to the UK because this kit is huge and will cost a couple, we'd end up having to charge you more to ship it to you than the actual kit would cost you. So let's see what's inside. There's a lovely Colour Lab classified booklet in there. This gives you some details of some inspirational female scientists. Beautiful introduction there from Rachele. And then a periodic table of colours. So this is the Metropolis sheet. And then there is the Scrumptious sheet here, which you'll need for this kit. And Rachele's giving you advice here and schematics on which colourways to use. And then colour theory as well to help you put your own colours together. The Scheepjes patterns are free, so there is no need for you to buy a kit. You can stash bust, and this does look like a good stash buster. So we've got the booklet. I'd read about this online last night. This is the Access All Areas Pass. There is a little QR code there, and if you scan the QR code, there's lots of other information on the Scheepjes website as well, which is only available to those that have bought the colour pack. Lovely sewing up needle with Catherine Johnson's picture on the back, inspirational scientist. And then we have lots of Scrumptious yarn. They give you your base colours. So in the Scrumptious, there's this black, grey, and then this sort of, it's called buttercream, like a pale grey colour. So let's see how many of each we've got. We've got 4 of the black. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 of the buttercream colour. And then we have 3 of the grey. And look at this. These Scrumptious packs have only been created for the cowl. Let's get rid of that box. And there are 80 colours in here and a 30-gram ball of each one. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. So let's see. There's 2 layers of colour, so look how cute they are. So there's 30 grams on each one of these, which is 97 metres. And look, there is one of every colour. So if you can see, we've got the top layer, and then there's another layer of yarn below. I think you can see that. Yep, nodding behind. So and this will enable you to create your own bespoke blanket just for you. It's really nice, isn't it? Look at some of these. I can see you just having so much fun putting colours together. Oh, yes. Look Look at some of those, for example. So there you go. So that's the scrumptious box. I'll get shot. I'm going to put these out and display in the shop, thank you. Now let's have a look at the Metropolis. Now Metropolis is one of my favourite Scheepjes yarns. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a 4-ply yarn, it's super soft, it's squishy, it's perfect for socks, accessories, and there are so many colours. Oh, look at this. You get a slightly smaller blanket with this one because this is 4-ply, the scrumptious is a DK. But isn't that fabulous? And you can see all the opportunities here to create your own colourway. This kit is £199. Like I say, it is in one of their more luxurious yarns. So let me open the box up. Again, you get your booklet with all the details in there from Rachel on how you're going to create this blanket. You will need to download the pattern every week as well, but this will give you some really good background information. Your exclusive Access All Areas pass again, and your tapestry needle. And then you get one of the Metropolis colour boxes, which is just gorgeous. I still remember the excitement when I was shown one of these boxes in Cologne at a trade show quite a long time ago, and I just love them. I did a mitered square blanket, which I think I still need to finish. It is such a beautiful, luxurious yarn. There is a ball of every colour in there, so again, it's giving you that opportunity to create your own stuff. And then you've got this beautiful pack of yarn in the charcoal, the mid-grey and the soft grey to provide the background to your own colour palette. So these are the Scheepjes Cal kits for Colour Lab Cal. So you've got the scrumptious one, which is £93.50, and the Metropolis one, which is £199. I'm sure you're going to love it, this crochet along. Take care.